Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are doing well. We have done poem The Lights Out. In this poem we have read the poet describes the arrival of slave in this poem. Slave is a mighty and forceful thing. Nobody can resist its influence. The poet also feels helpless before it. He feels tired and weary. He seems to lose control over his senses. His senses are tired. His body is exhausted. He feels that he is leaving the world of senses and is about to touch the unknown world. In this sense, we can also say that the poet apprehends his death and feels that his cup of life is full and he is going to die. He foresees that there is a forest completely dark and thick lying ahead of him. Today we are going to discuss expected questions of this poem. Question number 1 is Lights Out by Edward Thomas dwells on the power of sleep. Explain. Question number 2 Comment on the title of the poem Lights Out. Do you think it is a suitable title? First of all, we will discuss summary. If in your exam the question comes, write a brief note on the views of poet on slave, you can also write summary. If the question comes, lights out dwell out the power of slave, you can also write summary. If the question comes, what is the central idea of the poem, light out, you will also write summary. If the question comes, how does the poet prove that sleep is more fascinating than all the attraction, you can also write summary. Light Out is a beautiful poem on sleep. The poet views sleep as a soothing and blissful thing. Soothing means pursukoon, blissful means purmusarat. It has a dominating power over all human interests and activities. Dominating means ghalib takat. Activity means sargarmiya. No man can withstand its lure. It is a great source of comfort and relief. After a day's hard work, man likes to go to sleep. Sleep removes his weariness and makes him fresh. Sleep conquers everybody. The poet compares it to a forest whose depths are not known. Sleep is such a forest in which everything is lost. It has an equal influence on everybody. The wise and the wicked have to yield before it sooner or later. It levels everybody. People work from dawn to dusk. They remain busy in their jobs and pursuits. At night, when the lights go out, they find themselves in the lap of sleep. Sleep is the end of everything. Feelings like love, despair, and ambition come to an end. When a person is attacked by sleep, he forgets everything. He throws away the most interesting book. He divorces from his mind the faces of his dear friends and relatives. The poet wishes to go into unknown forest of sleep without holding anything in his hand. He does not know how he will overcome his experience. The poet is thankful to God for bestowing on us the gift of sleep. The next question is Light Out by Edward Thomas develops on the power of sleep. Explain. If the question comes, do you think that the poem has a hidden and implicit idea of death in it? Or if the question comes, does the poet compare sleep to death in this poem? You will write this answer. Sleep has been often treated as death by the English poets. Sleep is regarded as death for obvious reason. Obvious reason means वाजिया तौर पर. Sleep as well as death takes away our consciousness and awareness from us. In this poem, the poet compares sleep to a deep forest where everything is lost. Death is also a deep forest where man loses his worldly pursuits, desires, and ambitions. In this poem, there are hints which suggest that the poet has death in his mind while he is writing about sleep. Imagery of the leaves, darkness, foliage, trees is fit for the theme of sleep as well as death. Sleep is said to be a mighty and powerful thing. So is the case with the death. When sleep comes, it conquers everybody. The wicked and the pious are helpless before it. All our joys, ambitions and pain are lost in the forest of sleep. Same in the case with death. Death levels everything, the rich and the poor, the wicked and the pious, the king and the masses are helpless before it. Death put an end to our worries, griefs, joys and hopes. The poet has presented the theme of death and sleep very intelligently in the poem. The next and last question is, comment on the title of the poem, Lights Out. Do you think it is a suitable title? Lights Out is a beautiful poem on sleep. The title of the poem is quite attractive and romantic. It brings to our mind romantic association about sleep. Sleep has been presented in the poem as a great charmer. It has an alluring and quite charming influence on the mind of the poet. Its greatest quality is to make a person forgetful of his daily affairs of life. Under the influence of sleep, man forgets the passions of love, despair and anger. He forgets his friends and relatives. The sleeper likes to put out the light in his bedroom and loves to touch the borders of sleep. In this way, he switches off all the lights of brain also. He is completely cut off from the known and the outward world around him. The title of the poem is quite correct. It suggests the dark and vague stage of mind. It also hints how a man loses himself in the state of forgetfulness when he switches off the light for sleep. Students, now the thing is how to write the answer of the question. First of all, understand the statement of the question and then write the answer. For example, if we talk about the comment of the title of the poem and you are going to write about the title of the poem, your first paragraph, your introduction paragraph should be related to the question. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this lecture. Take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.